Spring break, motherfuckers! Hell yeah! Oh man, I am so happy I get to be out of school for a whole week. I get to go to the beach and have fun and get wasted and do drugs and have sex and all this other cool spring break shit. Let's go! First day of spring break. Hell yeah! Yeah! Are you fucking shitting me? It's raining? Really? Ah, whatever. I'll just go to the beach tomorrow. Woo! Going. Again? Seriously? It's raining 2 days in a row? Maybe it'll be better tomorrow for sure. Are you being serious right now? It's still raining. God damn it. Hey man, how'd you spend your spring break? Oh, you know, I just spent it inside all day playing video games. Why would you do something like that? Because it wouldn't stop fucking raining! It finally stopped raining! Yes, that means I can go to the beach. It's Monday. It's time for school.